demand
accountability.
we demand
Accountability.
We demand justice. Islam never Islam never
Balai ba don kam ban tha da kita ki CRPF ki SF dan bat kumju da ki pulit ki ba palat ya ka shis pa sau phong ngut ki ban wan hapo ka skul ba nehu manu ba ai jingbit ya ki ba kin wan hang ni klam da yo jingbit na ki bor ba dai pet jong ka nehu bat kumnu ki pulit kin la ban wan da kata ka civil dress ban kem ya unong ya lam jong ka nehu kini gidi gi jing keno ki ba mi na ki khna ki ba labu ka jingkeli syaka sarkar ba mentah kasni ba kila penlong ya kane ka jing yalang jongki ban persya ya ka jingle jongki pulit henen kasni ladang kedau henen kasni hakapor janmit ki pulit kilawan hakane ka skul ba bat kala don kata ka jing yania bat ka jing persya na kaleng jong ki samla puli hakane ka skul ba hakaba hakapor kumba khatwai shiteng EA ki pulit kilami no nakane ka jaka puli pat nakaleng ki samla puli pat mentah kasgi ka babut kila pelong ya kata ka jing ya rali ka ba hakane ka kampus bat kumju ru kila pelong ya kata ka jing persya jur halor kane ka jing le jong ki pulit nen kasgi te nakaleng jongi hingi layo banyak keren ya u PRO jong kanehu ba Davidson Pingrop kumju ya i nong yalam jong ka KSU iba Lambok Star Marngar bar kumju ya ki nong yalam jong ki khna puli hakane ka skul ba bangin sothu ya kane ka jing long jing man hang ne po skul ba nehu hakabai dei bat kani nakaleng jongi ngindang buddin susu bat yaine bat ngi hakane ka khubor
kuman shong ye ka jing ares ka jong samna sendiro kalong shi chak e ga bingim la bani accept ka daw kalong ba ki kham follow a proper procedure ki police personnel ki one ban arrest i samna sendi sotun hakapor bakidang ye phong ka civil dress ke janjing bar ki police kim don tang kata ka dak kashan bakin pen identify baki gidi ki police hok baki ki one ban cameo samna sendi sotun kuman shong hakapor baki arrest ya samna sendi sotun kila arrest ro ya way pat way khna kidang mod baki don ktilang ti kila ra lang ye borar ngun henry yo ta way khna pan kila penihar na gate 5 hakabaki ki ong ba ki baklaban identify utaw khna te kane ka jingla ka jong pulit shisha ka wanra ka jingkli ka ba khrido hato ka police force ka badai shisha ka badai bala tha banta ka bakan maintain ka law and enforcement order hakane ka state ka jongi hakane ka jala ka jongi hato ka tre hok sa hakaba kim tip yano ki wan kem ki shira kulum kalam kumbara ki blang ki masih ki thaba ka kili jongki baki penhapa di ki stang lenti yakum gane ka jingla jong ka pulit nakalen jong ka new student union ba KC unit hi ngi condemn ka jingkli haba bot pada kata kalong ba tangman protect ya ta way no hikai pi deploy hadu shis pa support plus ki police forces on top of that pi iru ki CRPF hato hadu kat no ulong special ulong corridor uta particular no hikai ken kuman shong ye pi kane ka case kaditang ka mere allegation hadu menta ka kane ki police forces kidang investigate de kane ka case te beli banan ka manai hadu special preference hadu kata ti yakum kane ka jingwan rung ka jong ka police hagaba haki por ki barim ki ong mangingim don ka jurisdiction hapo jong ka nehu kuman shong ka state government hi hakindir singi ki por man sha ka por bingin kata ka jinge ki ka por ngi bingin pare ka jingeram kada ong shai ka ong ba ngimla banyera pi namar bakam don ka jurisdiction jongi tu menta na pat kawan kata ka jurisdiction kinir kansa na pat ki wan ban rung hapo ban rung hapo ka university jongi ban kam try ke university jongi khlam na pentip iki stakeholders jong university ada ki police hakabidi bagum kita ki allegations whatsoever ngingim ka ban jing shay no namar ngingis ngeto kanang rim jongi ka bas camp ngi kwa ban huri rai ke university ro kwa ban shot ni la ban shot nando kitu ki por ba professor shukla ula ben ngi usu ben ngi ada ngi khamla ya kata ngi ki follow be ya ka peaceful demonstration ina kalan jongi ngi kwa be batong ba kita ki allegations ngi kenta juri kum kita ki allegations ki bitang ki allegations bar ngi wala ki police ki la kum tar ngi don ka jingi ka bas camp chaka judicial system ngi don ka jingi chaka judiciary baka judiciary kan ai ka fair trial kan ai ka justice yang isya
kumba fly iru haki Instagram page jongka IBVP fly ba utu dan u bentah hang to te kumbala kilat pathai khubor kilat saphyang tu ki jingdan benta jong ni ubrio wan hakani university imte ladangi ngi mano ki wan wat ka political agenda ka jong u andre kani ka political agenda ka jong u mde ban kentiu ki parari kini ki pa khasi ki basa hakani ka dong ka than ki samna pli badan hani po university andre ban yo raj ban ben kini khna uji isi ki khna ki badan kata ka jing na mata bantre entah ka jaj benrio bantre na mata kimat ki isu jong ka jaj benrio istu kata ka jingwan kem jong ki ni ki police force apa ka university ko jongi kadai ka ba sya tambah ngim pediang pat ya ka jing kem ya uni samla ba ya lam ya ka ni husu namar blai ba la shuparap ya u amdei klem dat yo ya ka daw ka ba hok kisuan kisukem kani dei tang ka jing persang ban pentron ki samla kuliah ba yaki persya yu ni visi halor ki kam ki ba shibon ki bala pensau haki benai ki beladam.
Police force down, 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 down.
From one of the canteens of the university. Now that is not the question, but the question is, how was he being arrested? Police personnel, they came in civil dress without proper identification. They were not having any proper identification, so to say, to ensure that they are the police personnel that are being sent by the state government.
Hi hakaban nongkong skoban sim kumni bakani kadai ka sedam jong ka puli buti kadai ka jkai kai ki samla bola kam solor ka puli buti kamni ka ketem jong tigili no ban ong ban haban pha ta ki sis pa san pro tam ni pa san puluna ki ta ki personal forces ki ban jong ka state and central nen ka sngi ni kata ka bangi yo sngo bat batai ki samla puli ne pos kul ba ni khadu khawai lada ka don kanunu ka jing toko jing terkam pos kul ba hu gi bantu nong kam dei wasan selor anda ki jing nong kan dei ki samla puli ngi don dang ka ni ka wai ka school ba kul arim tam ka bangi tip ka north east student in health university ka ba kudo boro ki samla puli po jala ka ni ka than sti lam ngi ka bala permi ya bon ba ki ta ki akyang ala manong ki simpa samsong na po na ka school ba andai na try ka di sin manukong ban pha da ki bor pahara da ki na kaliang juga state nan ka jong ka central na so golong ka ikbam la ban priang na kaliang juga seng hak bangi sawan ya mata ka singiru ban sngap thu junglong jaman ne pos school ba ne harangi so thu jingjia le nga try ka di ka kampo ying ni ka bagi la pan baj ngimtep ka jia kaman kumdu handai ngi iba ka jon bi sya keno bat la dan ka jing sya kem na kaliang ka bor ka anjo presiden juga ni husu yo le se menu bala pendep yo le se kani ka kaplan ka taktik jong noi waisan slot ban penting bersimit ki samla puli ulami syahmat banyakon banikan persa ayu kalau kita jing kendang ke jumbam biang jing terekam ju boleh saya dak balik kum ni pendon kam yu we ne we no hikai ba keno pat ki samla puli kenang bagi we pat kena menut su mi syahmat banikan persa ai ki bor halor jong skul ba nu aso ban jurat badak papan kubum jubor hukum tak lenti ngasong kolong kayu bakala namar kani ki samla puli ni gidon ni ko hok jak ban kado bandawa namar UI ya jinduna pos skul ba nu namar kumang karan kong lagi jinduna jindoko kan kata skul ba abro ko wai ba khamtam kan kata jimentoy juk samla puli wan puli ni pos skul ba ni na kaliang jong kaseng ya matang ngan shu pet perman ngan shu monitor ki jonglong juman pos skul ba nu war ni sokhia ngim kwa ki samla puli ken UI wat shu song surok ken yaki andangi kwa ban i ken dan po kamera kelas ban yo jing kai ti lada kini ki junglong juman ki yepteng jina ka nakasngi ka sing sngo ba te ki bor lor ki haban sim ki jingit kli
We went to talk with the only answer which they gave was we have got directions from higher authority.
Kiyo ya kawi kashti na u Dr. Alok u basha katkum kajing ong chong u ba sha sho ha u president ne husu wa u pha shi sha DGP sha police department ban ba upan ya ka security extra security na ka police department na government state government te di na katakadaw baki kilong he jong ka police department but na DC office na state government ki pha ya ki armed forces but ki police na banta ka security jong ki nong hikai te ngitip tang ya kata handre ngintip rapat ba bilie ki kham pentip ra shaka office jongka vice chancellor bilie ki kham I information in ro shwa bandrung ha campus jong ni hu hadin bangilayo kum ka chintip te i vice chancellor in charge i professor sungo marmar kum to he ila tho ya kamil ya kashthi sha i DGP but i DC jongka East Khasi Hills ban kerpat ya kimo ben wiang no ya kini ki police personnel but ki armed forces CRPF na campus ni hu khnang ba kanumdan la kain ka ba na snusi kain ka chingcha ka ba snusi ha campus ni hu but ki khna jongi ru kin snusngan haba ki wan ban shong ya ki class jong ki ni kwa ban ong biang hang nei ba ngim tip en la nang no ki yo order na en ki yo order ben wanrung hapo campus ni hu kum ka university tangi ngidan ki security la chong ra tamba tiang ka phitip he kan ni hu kala he ba ka campus ka ba he ba te dan ki chaka ki ba tharai university ka school ba te de tang han ni hu dan he ki university ki we ru ha mainland India like JNU TU there are even more serious cases than this dan ki cases ki bakham long ma ban ya ka nehuru takan this is a normal thing tang ma ban sha sho u nong hikai ne ngim ti pra ma nobale ro namar ba investigation ka ding ya ngim la ban kdok te yano ro ba utaule ngin shutip hadin nak ka jing penyat investigation jong ka police department te kan ka campus kalong ka basngan ngi kwaru ba ka ki khna ki sngan bat ki nong hikai henre nadu ba ja kata ka jing ja ba katkum ka jing ong jong u Dr. Alok ba u sha sho te hadin nang to ki nong hikai ro kim das ngu sngan khandit henre ka jing ja u Dr. Alok we regret it deeply what happened to him should not happen to any teacher in any place be it a university or school or college if it happened politics thing ngimtipra kata ka politics hinre kata ka investigation ka ba phiong ba inquiry mo ka janiam kata ka jing sha sho katkum ka jing ong jong u Dr. Alok pa ka janiam kum kata ka jing cha ka inquiry committee is already set up nakaliang ka university nakaliang ka pulit already they have started their investigation ngi lapen double ya ka security menta ki security ki patrol bed arsaw kanta habaro ko ki campus ki ka school ka di ka chaka ban pule puthi te ngin kwa ban baki pulit ne ki armed forces ken one hapo campus lada dan kadau ka ba he mo ka ba khrau lada dan kadau ka ba long serious pha te lada ngi dan kam te khempap ngin sapentip he yaki ngin pan he ka chingirap ka school ba ro ka dan kam he ka chingirap jong ka state government ngitip kin dan lang bat ngi ha ka por bangi dan kam yaki henry menen pat belia ki awan kumto ngim tip den te kalong serious he namar ki khna ro ki tieng namar ba ka school ba ka di ka chaka pule te haka nakapor ba kidang dingya pule kin yo ki pule dadu katongon te kin tieng he khampa ya kata tengim la ban lian mo tengin sa wat biang ngin sa nang krian biang ki he chok ka state ba belia ki khamya tentep ra yangi shwaban ne at least ya i professor sungo i basong hashki jong vice chancellor menta badi i registrar bilia ki kham pentip ra ngin sawat phangin sakle bha it will all happen through dialogue we have to speak to them
engaging or hosting the forces inside the Northeastern Hills University campus. We have already withdrawn last time after taking stock of the situation, and number two, we have already discussed with the in charge of the whole campus of Nehru. So ultimately we decided to withdraw the engaging or the posting of post security over there. I think it is not necessary to seek permission in case if the situation the situation arises that we have to take care of this situation. So I don't see any kind of prior permission to be given by the concerned authority. And you know well that the government is also concerned very well about the security, the safety of everybody, especially in the campus, the students and the teachers and everybody. So therefore, I think I should not say that we need a prior permission entering anywhere, be it the locality or be it in the premises of the different agencies, central or state government. So it depends on the situation. From the government side, what we are saying is we already even send the message very clearly. See, we pick up the president on the basis of the FIR. So allow the investigation to continue. And once that is done, because ultimately we are free to go to the court, and the court will ultimately take the final consideration whether to grant bail or not to grant bail. That is the thing. So I would request the students community to kindly allow the investigation to complete, and at the same time, you see, anybody, we can't just take the law in our own hands, because if it is true as per the FIR that the professor was beaten up by the president or by anybody, so I personally feel, we have to really make sure that everybody who are here in Meghalaya, they are safe, be it the lecturers, be it the faculties from outside the state, or be it anybody doing business or doing some business, some office services over here. I mean, everybody has to be safe. And from that angle, the government has already taken stock of the situation, and I would once again request the student community to bear with us, allow the law to take its own course, and once that investigation process is completed, so now the court will take over.